Stop scrolling. If you understand English but cannot speak it fluently, this video is for you. Not because you are bad at English, but because you were never trained the right way to speak it. Today, that changes. In the next 12 minutes, you will do something most learners never do. You will speak English with me, not after me. And by the end of this video, you will already sound different. Not perfect, but different. Let's start. Most people learn English like this. They study grammar. They memorize vocabulary. They watch videos. But when they speak, their mind goes blank. Why? Because English is not a knowledge skill. It is a muscle skill. And muscles do not grow by watching. They grow by doing. Today, you will do the simplest but most powerful speaking method in the world. Shadowing. Shadowing is simple. You listen to me, and you speak at the same time. Not after. Not silently. At the same time. Like a shadow. It will feel strange. It will feel fast. That is very good. Because your brain is waking up. Let's start slow. Don't think at all. Just repeat with me. Speak out loud. I speak English every day. I speak English every day. My English is improving. My English is improving. I feel more confident speaking. I feel more confident speaking. Good. Now, faster. Don't stop. Don't translate, just follow. I speak English every day. I speak English every day. My English is improving. My English is improving. I feel confident speaking English. I feel confident speaking English. If you made mistakes, perfect. Mistakes mean your brain is learning. Now, stop for a second. Think about this. When you speak your native language, do you think about grammar? No. You just speak. That is your goal with English. Not perfect English, just natural English. Now listen carefully. This is slightly longer. Follow exactly. Don't worry about speed. Just stay with me. Every great speaker started as a beginner. Every great speaker started as a beginner. They made mistakes. They made mistakes. But they kept speaking. But they kept speaking. Slowly, English became natural. Slowly, English became natural. Now, let's go a little faster. Every great speaker started as a beginner. They made mistakes. But they kept speaking. Slowly, English became natural. If this feels hard, that is exactly the point. You are not failing. You are training. Most people quit here. But you are still here. That already puts you ahead of most learners. Imagine this. You are in a conversation. Someone speaks to you in English. And instead of freezing, you respond naturally, without translating, without fear. That version of you is not far away. It starts here, with one habit. Shadowing. Now listen carefully. This is your real practice. Don't stop. Even if you miss words, continue. You are learning English right now. You are not watching. You are doing. Every sentence makes you better. Every sound trains your mouth. Don't worry about mistakes. Focus on rhythm. Focus on flow. Copy the energy. Ready? Let's continue. I am becoming more comfortable with English. I am becoming more comfortable with English. I do not need perfect grammar to communicate. I do not need perfect grammar to communicate. I'm training my mouth to move naturally. I'm training my mouth to move naturally. Every day, speaking becomes easier. Every day, speaking becomes easier. Excellent. Now slightly faster. Stay with me. Don't stop. I am becoming more comfortable with English. I do not need perfect grammar to communicate. I am training my mouth to move naturally. Every day, speaking becomes easier. Perfect. Now, let's try a conversation-style shadowing exercise. Imagine you are speaking to a friend. Relax your voice. Speak naturally. Hey, how are you doing today? Hey, how are you doing today? I'm doing pretty well, actually. I'm doing pretty well, actually. I've been practicing my English every day. I've been practicing my English every day. And I'm starting to feel more confident. And I'm starting to feel more confident. Very good. Now together at natural speed. Hey, how are you doing today? I'm doing pretty well, actually. I've been practicing my English every day. And I'm starting to feel more confident. Good. Now listen carefully. This next part is important. Many learners quit because they feel slow. But fluency is not built in one day. It is built sentence by sentence, sound by sound, repetition by repetition. That is what you are doing right now. You are building automatic English. Now shadow this with strong energy. Ready? I can improve my English. I can improve my English. I am not afraid of mistakes. I'm not afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help me grow. Mistakes help me grow. Every practice session makes me stronger. Every practice session makes me stronger. Excellent. Now faster. I can improve my English. I am not afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help me grow. Every practice session makes me stronger. Now let's train rhythm and flow. This time, focus on smooth speaking, not individual words. Smooth speaking, like music. Ready? English is becoming part of my daily life. I hear it. I speak it. I understand it more every day. I hear it. I speak it. I understand it more every day. My confidence grows every time I practice. My confidence grows every time I practice. Fantastic. Keep going. You are doing real speaking practice now. Not passive learning, real training. Now we increase difficulty slightly. Don't panic if you miss words. Just continue speaking. That is the secret. Never stop. Ready? When I started learning English, I felt nervous speaking out loud. When I started learning English, I felt nervous speaking out loud. Sometimes I spoke too slowly. Sometimes I spoke too slowly. Sometimes I forgot words. But I kept practicing, and little by little I improved. Very nice. Now natural speed. When I started learning English, I felt nervous speaking out loud. Sometimes I spoke too slowly. Sometimes I forgot words, but I kept practicing, and little by little I improved. Take a breath. Relax your shoulders. One more round. This time with confidence. Speak clearly. Speak strongly. Ready? My English does not need to be perfect. My English does not need to be perfect. It needs to be clear and natural. It needs to be clear and natural. Fluency comes from practice. Fluency comes from practice. And I am practicing right now. And I am practicing right now. Excellent. Now I want you to notice something important. At the beginning of this video, speaking may have felt uncomfortable. Maybe your mouth felt slow. Maybe your brain tried to translate everything. That is normal, because your brain is still building new speaking patterns. But right now, something is changing. You are no longer only listening to English. You are producing English. That is a completely different skill. And every minute you practice like this, your speaking becomes more automatic. That is how fluency is built. Not through perfection, through repetition. Now let's do another shadowing round. This one is more natural and conversational. Imagine you are introducing yourself to someone new. Relax. Smile a little while you speak. It helps your pronunciation sound more natural. Ready? Hi, it's nice to meet you. Hi, it's nice to meet you. I've been working on my English speaking skills. At first, it felt difficult. But now, I feel more comfortable speaking. I still make mistakes sometimes. But I keep practicing every day. Very good. Now let's do it together at normal speed. Stay close to my rhythm. Do not stop speaking. Ready? Hi, it's nice to meet you. I've been working on my English speaking skills. At first, it felt difficult, but now I feel more comfortable speaking. I still make mistakes sometimes, but I keep practicing every day. Excellent. That sounded much more natural. Now we are going to train something very important. Connected speaking. Native speakers do not speak word by word. They connect ideas smoothly. Listen carefully to the flow. Then copy it. I want to speak English naturally. So I practice a little every single day. Some days are easier than others, but I never stop improving. Good. Again, but faster. I want to speak English naturally, so I practice a little every single day. Some days are easier than others, but I never stop improving. Well done. Now let's challenge your brain a little more. This next exercise is called continuous shadowing. That means you will keep speaking without long pauses. Even if you miss a word, continue. Do not freeze. Do not restart. Just continue moving forward. That is exactly what real conversations feel like. Ready? Learning a language takes patience and consistency. Some days you feel confident. Other days you feel frustrated. But every time you practice, your brain becomes stronger. Your listening improves. Your pronunciation improves. And your confidence grows little by little. That is why daily speaking practice is so powerful. Excellent. You are doing very well. Most learners never train like this. They consume English, but they do not produce English. That is why progress feels slow. Speaking changes everything. Now we do one final practice for today. This is your strongest practice so far. Use energy. Use confidence. Speak clearly. Ready? I am becoming an English speaker. Every day, my pronunciation improves. I understand more when people speak. I can express my ideas more clearly. I am building fluency step by step. And I will keep improving. Beautiful. Now all together. Natural speed, strong voice. Let's go. I am becoming an English speaker. Every day my pronunciation improves. I understand more when people speak. I can express my ideas more clearly. I am building fluency step by step. And I will keep improving. Fantastic work. Right now, your brain is adapting to English rhythm. Your mouth is adapting to English sounds. And your confidence is adapting to speaking without fear. That is real progress. And remember, this is only day one.